Class 6th R.D. Sharma Mathematics, in that chapter number 7 decimal, in that exercise 7.2. Now first one question, write each of the following as decimal. Now this given in word, we have to convert this into decimal. So 3/10, tenth means after point 3 will come, so 0.3. Second one, 2 ones and 5 tenths. Now first of all 2 ones, so at the ones place it is 2, after point it is 5, so answer is 2.5. Third one, 30 and 1/10. Now 30.1, because 10th place is 1. 22 and 6/10, so 22.6, because 6 is on 10th place. 100, 2 ones and 3/10. Now 100, 2 at the ones place, so 0, 2, because ones, tens and 100 and 3/10, so 0.3, so 102.3. Now question number 2, write each of the following as decimal. Now this is also we have to convert into decimal. First of all, what we will do, plus this 30 plus 6 is 36, plus 2 by 10 is 0.2. okay, now we have to plus this, so equal to 36.2. okay, after point 2 and 6 and 3, so 36.3. Same as in second one, 700 plus 5, which is 705, plus 7 upon 10 is 0.7, so answer is 705.7. Second one, 200 plus 60 plus 5 upon 1 upon 10, so 200 plus 60 is 260, plus 5 plus 1 upon 10 is 0.1, so equal to 265.1, right? 260 plus 5 is 265.1, plus 0.1 means after point 1 is there. Now fourth one, 200 plus 70 is 270, plus 9 plus 5 upon 10 is 0.5, which is equal to 279 plus 0.5, so which is equal to 279.5 is the answer. Now write each of the following as decimal. Now this one we have to write in decimal. So directly, if it is 10 or 100, directly we can write, only 1 point we have to write, because 0 is there, only 1 0. So 2.2. Here 3 divided by 2. So let us convert this denominator into 100 or a 10 or 1,000. okay, so we will multiply. If we will multiply 2 into 5, so if we will multiply here in the denominator 5, so we have to multiply at the numerator also, right? So 2 into 5 is equal to 10 and 5 into 3 is 15, so answer is 1.5, right? So answer is 1.5. Third one, 2 by 5. So let us convert this denominator into 10, 100, 1000. So if we will multiply 5 into 2, which is 10. So if we multiply at the denominator, we have to multiply at the numerator also. So equal to 5 2s are 10 and 2 2s are 4, which is equal to 0.4 is the answer. See the second question number 4, write each of the following as decimal. This also we have to convert in decimal. So let us do that. Now here we had given in mixed fraction, so we have to convert in improper fraction first. So 40 into 5 is 200, 200 plus 2 is 202 upon 5. Now this denominator we have to convert into 10. okay, so 5 into 2 multiply by here also 2, so which is equal to 5 2s is 10, 2 2s are 4, 0, 4, so 404 equal to 40.4, so 40.4 is the answer. third one 4 3 by 5. So what we have to do, first we'll convert into improper fractions. So 4 into 5 is 20 and 20 plus 3 is 23 upon 5. So which is equal to, here also we have to convert into 10 2. So 5 2s are 10, 23 into 2 is 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So which is equal to 4.6 is the answer. Question number 5. Write the following decimal as fraction. Reduce the fraction to the lowest form. Now first we are doing fraction into decimal. Now we have to do decimal into fraction and reduce them in the lowest form. So let us do that. Now question number 5. First one 3.8. So we'll convert this into fraction. That is 38 upon 10. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to cancel it. In the lowest form we have to do. So 2 5s are 2 1s are 2 and 9s are 18. So answer is 19 upon 5. So what is our answer? 19 upon 5. Let us do the second one. Second one question is 1.2. So this will convert into fraction upon only 1 point. So 10. Now cancel it with 2. So 2 5s are 2 1s are 2, 0 and 6 are 12. Again we can cancel it or not? No. So we'll write as it is. Answer is 106 upon 5. Question number 6. Represent the following decimal number on the number line. Now question number 1. 0.2. Now this one we have to write on number line. So let us do that. Question number 6. First one 0.2 we have to plot on number line. So I had drawn a number line. Number is 0 1 2. Now between 0 and 1 I am taking 10 parts. Now after 0 the point is 0.1. Then after 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. Okay, like this way. So like this way you have to write 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and then it is 1. Now between 0 and 1 these points are there. So we have to indicate only point 2. So I am indicating here it is point 2. Now same as in 1.9 also. But 1.9 between which number it will come? Between 1 and 2. So between 1 and 2 we have to separate 10 part first. So let us do that. Now here we had separated between 1 and 2 10 parts, which is 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8 and 1.9. So which number we have to indicate? 1.9. So where it is? Here 1.9. Okay. Now let us do the fourth one. 2.5. Now 2.5 between which number it will come? Between 2 and 3, because after 2 it is there. So 2.5 between 2 point. So we have to separate here into 10 parties. So let us do it is. Now between 2 and 3 how many numbers are there? 10. So 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8 and 2.9. So which number we have to indicate? 2.5. So here it is 2.5. Question number 7. Between two whole number on number line are given. Which one nearest the number? Now between two number of a number line are given. Which one is the nearest to the number? Now two number, between which two number 0.8 will come? Between 1 and between 0 and 1. Here let us see this number line. Between 0 and 1 it will come. Okay, so what we will write? Between 0 and 1. And nearest to 0.8, nearest to which number? 0 or 1? Here it will come 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 0.8 is nearest to 1 only. So we have to write here 1. Now 5.1. Okay, now 5.1 is there. So between which number the 5.1 will come? Between 5 and 6, right? So between 5 and 6. Now which is the nearest one, 5 or 6? 5.1 comes here first, 5.1 only. So be nearest to 5. Now 2.6. Now it will come between 2 and 3, right? So between 2 and 3. And nearest to which number? Here it will come na 2.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will come here, which is nearest to 3. So which is nearest to 3. Now 6.4. 6.4 is between 6 and 7, right? Now it is beyond the 5, so it is nearest to 6. Now 9. 9 is between, there is no between, right? 9 is on the 9 only, so it will write here 9 only. Now sixth one, 4.9. 4.9 is between 4 and 5 and nearest to 5, because 4.9, after 4.9 the 5 will come, so nearest to 5. Question number 8. Write the decimal number represented by the points on the given number line A, B, C, D. Okay, we have to write here decimal number. Now first of all A is there, so after 0, 0.1 will come, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So A is on 0.8. Okay, now 0.9, 1. After 1, 1.1, 1.2, and this is 1.3. So B is on 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6. Okay, now C, 2, 2.1 and 2.2, and D, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, and D is on 2.9. Okay, you can write here numbers and then you can write also, otherwise you can write directly also. So A is 0.8, B equal to 1.3, C equal to 2.2, and D equal to 2.9. Thank you for watching this video.